so I'm really sorry, but I forgot to start my recording, so it's going to start over now. And this is Mr. Vaness, who is guiding us. He's a very sharp guy, but he seems to be so brave and courageous. So we are going to travel along with him, along with my husband, my sweet husband over there. It's been a long day. He's singing the song now, but he doesn't know the lyrics so much, so he's just stopped over there. And our beauty queen, drama queen, offering. And this is me, Sajna, who's like anchoring you guys now. Okay, let's just move on. You see, it's a slopey hill, and the passage is full of stones, and it seems so slippery as well. If there is a rain, we cannot move like this. And there's a long path down there. We just traveled now like 10 to 20 minutes now, and it seems never ending there. So just going along. Oh yeah, and this Mr. Anas, who's our guide, is saying this is a shortcut, but it seems so steep and narrow.
Be careful.
And be careful. He's saying be careful. There are snakes over there.
Let's move to shortcut.
Let's move to shortcut. Okay. I'm just believing in him because he's saying this is a shortcut. So, oh no, my husband has also found a new shortcut over there. Oh.
Made by your husband.
Another shortcut. It's another shortcut, but we have to be really careful there. Okay? But it sounds so good. It's a good exercise for us to
So many dangerous
walk
monkeys.
down here.
Now we are going to reach our falls section.
Falls. Actually he was living in Chennai, but when he was in Chennai he was saying falls. But now he's saying falls. He became a pure Malayali now. And he's also smiling, which means it's true now.
Be careful while like
He's saying, like, be careful to me, don't say nothing rubbish.
Found by your husband.
This is another way that is found by my husband.
Let's talk to them.
Oh no! Ashik's sister's family is lost. We are searching for him now. And the Rama Queen and his father is also coming. See, this is my husband who's having a camera and he's going to photograph me, okay? Oh, we are still moving on, but there is no ending. Yeah, our guide, Mr. Anas, has helped them to walk along. Oh no, it seems so dangerous, so I'm not following this path. We're just going to take another shortcut. Oh, this is so steep. It's so steep. And if I even miss one step, I'll be like rolling downstairs. Innொരു വീഡിയോ ഓക്കേ Hi. I'm very in a pathetic situation because I'm not being videoed by anyone over here, so I have to say hi to all the viewers. Okay?
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. No, the time is not yet came to subscribe. Oh no, these are all like bathroom waters over here. Okay, we are just going to get near to the falls and I'm so excited. Can you hear the sound of waterfalls? Oh man, you see there? It's a waterfall down there. Like we can see the falls flowing in like that, but we are not able to get through that. There are a lot many people came here to watch this beautiful scenery, but it's the force is too heavy, so I'm afraid that we're not able to like swim through it. Oh wow! Oh, it's so weird there. So the video you're going to watch now is the waterfalls, which I'm going to show you now. And here you go. This is the famous Athirapally waterfalls, and it's so massive and it's so powerful, and the people are so crowded over here, and you can see the force of the water is falling over the hills. As you can see, so heavy. I wish I was here, but it's so heavy, you're not able to do so.